Group F occupancy type is comprised of factories and encompasses buildings or structures used for assembling, disassembling, fabricating, finishing, manufacturing, packaging, repair or processing operations that are not considered high hazard or storage. Group F is broken down into two subgroups. F1 includes moderate hazard factory industrial uses. F2 includes fabrication and manufacturing of non-combustible or low-hazard materials. F1 factories can include, but are not limited to, the production of aircraft, appliances, automobiles, bakeries, bicycles, boats, cameras, clothing, electronics, engines, furniture, machinery, optical goods, printing or publishing, and shoes. F2, or low-hazard facilities, might include brick or masonry, ceramic products, foundries, glass products, gypsum, ice, and metal products for fabrication and assembly.